Hey everyone, it's my first video and I will try to sneeze with opened eyes. Yeah, I know it's not very easy, but it's fun, so everyone should try it. And yeah, if you make it, make a video response or, you know, just something. Okay, I will use this like always and like everyone, and just wish me a luck. Okay, first try. Oh, the bad is that you start to cry. That sucks. Once again. God. I don't know how is it possible to someone other or to make it. But I can't make it actually. Oh, God, I feel like I'm sick or something. But I will try again. I find a good point in my nose to get a sneeze. Ah, man. Why I cry from one eye only? When I was watching the video from other people, they were crying with two eyes, and I cry with one only. Okay, I started acting stupid, okay. Anyways, once again. Okay, it's fun. Okay, fuck this bullshit. I'll make it right now. Yeah, I'll make it. See? Look at this. It's a pro way right now. I can make it. Shit. Shit. I almost make it. Okay, once again, and I make it. Pro. Get the pro. God. Oh my god. I think I can't. Okay, last try. No, I can't. So, I feel like I'm sick. Anyways, guys, I have something extra for you. It will come in a few seconds when I stop talking. And I just want to say that I can't make it. You try it, make a video. You can make a video response to this one. And I want to see, can you make it? Because I can't, and it's very hard. And right now, it's called the extra part of bonus, however you can call it, you know. So, here we go. Okay. This is the extra part of the video, and I will try to sneeze underwater. Yeah. Ah, I know it's not easy. And you guys think right now, is it possible? It is, and I will show you. Okay, let me give a sneeze first and wash it, because it's possible and it's funny. Hold on. Come on, sneeze, come out. They want to see it. God, stop. Yeah, that's how it looks like. You guys seeing right now? Oh my god, he's stupid. Whatever. Once again. It's not exactly what I wanted to have. Okay, this time I have to make it faster. 3 and last time. Okay, that's enough for you. If you want, make the same thing and, make a video response and have fun with it. So, I can sneeze with open eyes, but I can sneeze underwater. However it looks like, anyways, I make it. No, I don't make it. So, see you later and wait for next video.